Hey guys, it's Steve from Trim That Weed with a video on WORX WG309 8Amp 10-inch electric chain and pole saw. Watch until the end to learn the verdict and whether this is a recommended machine. WORX WG309 8Amp 10-inch electric chain pole saw overview. This is a lightweight pole saw that can also be used as a chainsaw without the pole assembly. It's cleverly engineered so that the assembly is effortless and does not require any tools. It's very easy to use this electric chain and pole saw, as you won't feel much weight, even when the 10 feet extension pole is in use. The powerful motor delivers enough power to trim your yard trees without any problems. The motor drives the chain at 8.5 meters per second and cuts through the branches like butter. The handle is designed to be rotated and offer comfort while trimming and pruning. The chainsaw can still be operated without the extension pole. The pole is well made with rotating control bar for best heights positioning of the saw. What we liked: lightweight, makes it very comfortable to work with. Has automatic chain tensioner, toolless installation of pole and removal. What we didn't like: the machine has a plastic chain drive sprocket. It is corded and hence needs an extension cord when working far from a power outlet. WORX WG309 8Amp 10-inch electric chain and pole saw. Specifications. This table shows the technical specifications of the machine. Bar length is how far the extension can reach when fully extended. Chain pitch and gauge show the type of chain the machine uses, while motor specs show the amount of power drawn by the machine. WORX WG309 electric chain and pole saw features: build and design. The WORX WG309 has been carefully designed with the operator in mind. It has an adjustable control bar that makes the machine offer the most comfortable operating position regardless of the direction of your hand motion. This makes this machine the best for trimming and shaping your gardens. Pole and pole length. Another very impressive aspect of the WORX WG309 is the length of the pole. It extends up to 10 feet, which means that you won't need a ladder to trim most of the trees in your backyard. The pole is made of lightweight metal that's resistant to rust and corrosion, making it durable. It has also been well engineered that you don't need any tools to assemble or disassemble the pole. Anyone can fix the pole with very little effort. The chain. This machine uses a chain that is 10 inches long. This is more than enough cutting area for domestic use. The chain has a 3/8 pitch, which makes it easy to sharpen manually with a round file. It's equipped with an automatic oiling system to make the chain oiled well throughout. It also has an automatic chain tensioner which sets the tension of the chain right. Verdict: should you buy the WORX WG309 electric chain and pole saw? Yes, you should. WORX as a company offers some of the best gardening machinery and is known for the durability of its machines. It will save you a lot of time moving from one place to another with a ladder, and the best thing is that when you remove the pole, you can use the machine for cutting and resizing stumps as you would with a normal chainsaw. Who is it best suited for? This electric chain and pole saw can be used by anyone with the capability of operating machinery, whether you're old or young, as long as you know how to operate it, have your safety gear on, and can work standing without any problems, then this machine is suited for you. If you love gardening and tending to your gardens personally, you'll find this tool to be a very important addition to your shed. Are there any alternatives to the WORX WG309? Yes, there are a few alternatives in the same class with WORX WG309. They're in the same class of motor and power ratings. There's the Black & Decker BECP 601 electric pole saw and Sunjo SWJ 803E 8-amp 10-inch pole saw. Both have 10-inch bars with an automatic oil system. They both have a good build and slight differences from the WORX brand, which has more safety features like the hand protection on the pole. Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to leave a comment below for anything that we might have missed, and for any suggestions on our next video that you'd like to see from us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and have a great day. Take care.